It's ready now.
Put it on fire and then it'll be ready to shoot. It's not on fire, is it?
Yep.
Okay.
I saw it jump.
That right
You know what? We need to bring our binoculars out here.
That little clear one right in the middle, it's got water in it too. It'll jump. The one in front of the green one.
I don't know if I can see it.
Down at the bottom anyway,
I'm
if
going
you
to
hit it
shoot for the
kind of low.
bullseye.
You
Did
shot.
that go over or something?
Yeah, you shot up high.
Mine went straight through.
Or maybe it went through?
Did you shoot at the target or?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know how I could
Yeah,
have
if
shot.
you shot at the target, you might have hit it right.
Yeah, I was shooting at the bullseye on the target.
Okay, well that's good. You've done all right. It went straight to it.
I'm going to shoot at the green bottle.
Right in the middle.
Green bottle, there you are.
Huh, you got it.